Welcome to the beginner's guide to operating a generator. First, your generator can be loud and reverberating. Never operate it after bedtime. Keep a safe distance from the generator's exhaust. It is not an uninterrupted power supply. Avoid connecting too many appliances at the same time to prevent overloading. To start your generator, you will need to add fuel and pull the recoil hard. Don't let your children play near it. You must regularly check and replenish fuel reserves to stay prepared. Generators do not come with a smart management system. If low on fuel, promptly head to the nearest gas station. There is only one way to fuel your generator. Finally, you are now prepared to use your generator. Follow these guidelines for a seamless experience.